One of the questions I get asked all the time is whether you should use a conditioner for your thread. And the answer is maybe. So let me explain that. There are two reasons that you might want to use a conditioner on your thread. One is to keep it from tangling. You know how you double over your thread over the needle eye, and then you've got the two lengths together, and how the one sometimes wants to wind around the other and cause a tangle? If you condition your thread, it can help keep that from happening. So that is true whether you're using Fireline or whether you're using a thread type thread like Nymo or Eslon or Ceylon, or actually Eslon and Ceylon are the same thing. Anyway, any of the threads or Fireline or any of those other fishing line products, conditioning can help keep that tangling from happening. The other reason to use a thread conditioner is if you're using a thread, it will actually absorb into the fibers of the thread itself, and it can make it stronger and last longer. So that is and it will also help keep fraying down. So if you have a fraying problem, for instance, I know Nymo is one that is notorious for fraying. So conditioning that can help. Now here's the other thing. There's two different products that you can use to do your thread conditioning. One is the traditional beeswax, and this happens to be a container of beeswax. This is the kind that we sell at JillWisemanDesigns.com. The beeswax is actually in this container. There's little slots right here for you to run your thread across the beeswax. Beeswax is going to make those threads stick together more. So that's the function, the scientific function of it. Now there's also a product called Thread Magic. There used to be Thread Heaven. The Thread Heaven people have retired, and their Thread Heaven is no longer available. Thread Magic is the same thing. This is a different action that it does. Instead of making those threads stick together, it actually makes the threads repel each other. So I would say experiment with both kinds, see which you like better, works better for your style. And you know, it's a nice to have, it's not a have to have. Now, I have something else very important to tell you. We have somebody that I need to introduce you to. And he's a new member of our team. And come here, babe. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Oscar. Oscar, come see me. Look, I've got a treat. Oscar doesn't want to come see us. Come here, Oscar. This is your big starring moment. Okay, you're going to have to bring him over here. He doesn't know he can walk on the table. Come here, baby. Come here. Hi, sweet pea. Hello, my sweet pea. This is Oscar, you guys. Oh! So you can see that I'm not getting anything done now with filming. This is our new little friend. Yes, are you our new mascot here at Tiny Courage? He is a 10-week-old Havanese, and he loves to nibble on ears. So I just thought you guys would really get a kick out of meeting Oscar. How you doing, boo? Huh? How you doing? Oh my goodness. Yes. Do you like jewelry? You like ears. You like treats. Okay, wave bye to all the ladies. Say bye-bye, ladies.